Hey, hello there. Welcome to Bombay Beach and another video of the Hockey Bros universe. Today we're here for a drone challenge.
I'm here with my boy Harrison, although that's not his actual name. Although you guys know him as Harrison from the Hockey Bros movie. This is G. All right, G's first time with the drone. Let's see it.
I had little to no practice, so judge me.
All right, he's gonna land it on top of these boxes here, or the pallets. Starting off slow. No! Uh-oh, he's close. Oh, he clipped it. Oh, he was so close. Oh.
So, okay guys, you could see that I failed miserably, but now it's Jonathan's time.
You're filming it wrong way.
I am. So Jonathan's first attempt will be exactly as I was trying to do. Just get on top of this deck. But then he's gonna try to come around and you make a U-turn on those lamps right there, and then stop exactly the same place as he started. You ready for the challenge?
No, but we're gonna do it anyway.
All right, great. All right.
All right, attempt number 2. All right, let's do this again.
All right. Ooh, okay, first stage done.
Let's go to the second stage. All right, gotta get through the barrel. Let's go.
And he did it! He did it! Oh! Well, almost a death later, we're here, and he completed the challenge.
Don't worry, I was not trying to kill you, buddy. I was just trying to give you a good scare.
He was able to do that.
I can't believe I got it through there. But, you know what? Have you ever played hockey before?
Yeah, I have played hockey before. Not well, but I have played it before.
Let's see if he can hit a Salton Sea shot.
Hey, hello. Here we have a hockey game that I'm 100% willing to do. Jonathan's not forcing me at all. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Worry about it. Help.
All right, just do your thing, G.
All right, back.
Oh, nice shot. Oh.
Wow.
A little right again. A little right. Hey, shoot left. And he shot right. This does not look like a good idea. You're gonna hit all 4 of them at the same time?
It's in my soul.
Hockey Bros Trick Shots episode 2. Here it is. First ever hockey trick shot at the Salton Sea. Oh, at least he made one. All right, he's gonna shoot his last shot. Oh, and he makes it. I don't know if you guys watched the last video, but I lost to Sean in a hockey shootout on the beach. So I'm kind of feeling like I need some redemption. I'm gonna go 4 for 4 right now, right here at Bombay Beach. Let's try that again.
Yeah, let's try that. Okay. All right. Second take. I mean, first take.
4 for 4.
4 for 4. Yeah, first take. It is his second take.
Hey, that was going in.
Nature's
Hey,
against
come on,
you.
we need an official review on that one.
Well, nature dictated it was a no.
I'm gonna end it there. See, guys, I am better at hockey than Sean Williams. Right, G?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ahoy!
Bombay Beach Subway.
Dig it in!
Whoa. What is this thing? What the? Yo.
Did you bring the marshmallows?
This is actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
Cool little spot to relax, but you could tell that they hit a concrete foundation of some sort over here. So now we're going to be going to Slab City, and we're going to be checking out the last free city in America. It's utter anarchy there. No laws, but some pretty cool art that we're going to go check out. All right, guys, we are here at Salvation Mountain again. So cool, guys. Just give you a quick walk around. The paint is looking really good on here too. Volunteers have done a really good job keeping this up since the creator, Leonard Knight, passed away. This is G's first time here. What do you think?
I think they've done a splendid work on keeping this up. You can see a lot of those cars are very old. Yeah, the paint is like decently fresh.
Yeah, the paint on the mountain looks really, really good.
It does. It does look pretty good.
All right. This part has been closed in the past. So let's see if we can get in here. It looks like it's, this area is still closed. Back here. But there's this cute little hideout that you can still go in. Looks like they have a lot of, this is all made out of hay bales, which is crazy. A lot of like seating areas in here. And then there's another little, what was this? Oh, it mainly looks like mostly trash is falling in there. What's over here? Another little seating area. All right, guys, welcome to the Slab City bowling alley. We're gonna be playing one frame because that's all we have time for. Let's do this.
Mid.
Here we go. All right, let's see it.
All right, guys.
All right, we're gonna have to move this up. New plan. We're gonna do it halfway down. Right here. Six is the score to beat. Oh, I only got two. That man behind the camera. G is the winner of the Slab City Bowling Challenge.